You're looking for cabinet holders that you could simply place on a wall, squeeze the handle, and add support for both sides, simply to adjust down to the bare minimum of 15 plus inches. This product may be something that you are after. We're going to demonstrate and show you what this product is about. From the providers, Blankfuss 23.6 plus 45.3 inches cabinet support third hand helper. A set of two. We're going to demonstrate and talk about the unit. I'll show you what you get inside and how nicely they are packaged. Do check online for the 4 models up to 115 plus inches. We get a carrying case and a pamphlet on about your item. They can withstand and hold up to 200 pounds of force. They are rubber on top and bottom. The handle faces upward. The bottom swivels as well as the top for different angles. To secure down is to lock down with the bolt. To raise up is squeezing the clips on each side to the different levels. Loosen up, snap into place. For example, for a demonstration, we're going to set up over here, lower down and lock into place, looking for the line, snapping in, placing underneath, and rotating and adjusting by pumping up. Repeat for the other one by placing on, pumping, by moving the thumb bolt and the handle to the opposite sides, and holding on. This is an Allen bolt that screws down to lock into place, prevention of releasing and lowering. When all hung, release and lower. For hanging cabinets lower than 24 inches, the 15 plus inch unit will fit under and raise up. For cabinets that are required for higher height, we simply place under, crank up, lock into place, and lock the screw down for hanging. The helping hand cabinet brackets, they are simply pumpable, adjustable for taking down cabinetry or putting up cabinetry by pumping the handles. They are angled and tiltable to screw down and more. When the job is completed for removing of the third arm, simply release and proceed to the next cabinet you're installing. They are from Blankfuss. It is a green color. It is a lime green with a lockable tab. The pump area that simply pumps up. When finished, the maximum height is reached, and the maximum height of the pole can be locked down. The minimum, the maximum. The pole system is not for 2 poles to be added together for supporting. Check online for further details about the products and the sizes they offer for your needs. I hope you enjoy your product. It's not just for supporting racks. Anything that needs to have support, like a garage door, It can be used for prevention of opening up a door or holding a wall together as well. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.